If you have a dental blog, and you should, then you know that there's always a push for fresh, unique content. Now, what you may not know is that there's a way to breathe new life into your old blog post that can increase both views and conversions. I'll be back after the break to give you the basics. A blog for your dental practice can promote your brand and potential patients' awareness of you as the right choice. Welcome to the Patient Attraction Podcast. I'm Colin, receiver. Blogs are great, but the end goal of all dental marketing is to increase new patients. So it makes sense for you to have your blog work harder for you, right? The way to do that is to optimize some of your old blog posts so that they bring in more views and ultimately conversions. Now, this is a bit on the technical side, so I'll keep it at a high level. This process is for you if you have a significant number of past blog posts and a pretty good following. Both of these make your blog an authority as far as Google is concerned, and they help your search engine rankings. The first thing to do is to identify posts that attract lots of views, resulting in more potential new patients. If you're not tracking your blog's performance, well, here's a tip. You should be. One way to do that is to use an analytics feature of your blog. Google offers a great one. Some blogs have internal systems, but I'm going to recommend Google over all of the others. Second, just figure out which blogs have gotten the most traffic in the last, say, 6 weeks. Focus on those. Identify which keywords and phrases people are using that lead them to your highest view post. Now, that takes a combination of some keyword research and a little bit of a tracking tool. There's a number of tracking tools available online. Once you've identified what's working for you, the next step is to optimize the post using those keywords and/or phrases. One of the best ways is to add a keyword or a phrase call to action in line with your copy near the head of your post. If your blogging platform allows that, a second call to action can slide in from the side once the reader scrolls down far enough, and then even add a third call to action towards the bottom. Now, obviously, this optimization works best for posts that already have an offer or something else that would already carry a call to action. But even something like get a free dental whitening session can work for other posts. Now, once you've optimized, of course, track. You should be seeing an increase in views and conversions. If not, go back and do a little more tweaking. There are a lot of other things you can do for better views and conversions from your blog. But let's face it, this process is almost certainly going to be time-consuming. Not something I would recommend a dentist to spend hours of their time doing. It might be worthwhile to hire a vendor to handle something like this for you. In my next podcast, I'll talk about dealing with threats to your brand and public image. Until then, keep moving forward.